Hey there, I'm Douglas from Draftbit, and in this video, we're going to take a closer look at the VStack component. It's a very handy tool for arranging your components in a vertical column without needing to fiddle with the flex settings manually. While you can achieve a similar result by using a regular view within a component and setting its flex direction to column, the VStack saves you time and keeps your app's layout clean and consistent. Let's dive in. To add this component, head over to the component picker. Click Add. Then we're going to search for the VStack. And then what we're going to do, inside the VStack, I'm going to add a text, an image, and a button. Notice how they're automatically arranged in a neat vertical column, no additional styling required. This makes it perfect for building forms, lists, or any vertical stack layout inside your application. And we can even play around with things like gap, where we can add gap in between the components. We can add a background color. We can even add padding. Then we can look at the configurations tab, where we just have the component name. By default, it's called VStack, but we can rename it to something like form layout or profile column based on your project. And there you have it. The VStack is a straightforward yet powerful component for creating vertically aligned layouts quickly and effectively. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.